After 2 minutes of market open, 9:17 a.m. sell call red color candle open. Daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal. Now it's a sell call, sell signal. So red color candle came. Through this you will get entry point, target, stop loss. Through these entries you can do manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart you can do auto trade also. If you want to know the detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. So through this chart you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. Right now we are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart at 9:17 a.m. This sell call came. Sell at 55,730. That white line is the entry line. Below our target line, above one is the stop loss line. So entry point is 730. First target is 590. It's 140 point first target range. So right now you are watching this video like this daily. You are just going to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. Through this signal you can do your intraday trading. So market was continuous bearish momentum only. Market was continuously going down. After 11 a.m. it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today call came, and from opening itself it's a continuous downside direction and it easily break out the first target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.